Excuse me guys, isa po kasi akong student pero bagsak ako. Ito yung teacher ko and I am a doctor.
You serious?
Okay lang bang i-check ko yung heartbeat nyo?
Yes, sir.
Huwag mong subukan.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm going to check.
Healthy, di ba? Okay,
Yes.
so we're gonna check it
Yes.
to be sure. So, what you need to do?
What is the proper checking, sir?
We're checking for
Okay.
safety, right? So
Okay.
we need to know we helping to people, right?
Okay,
Yes.
to check
So,
the heartbeat. So,
This one, you need to use this, but
Okay.
very gently.
okay.
So you need to put it's over there.
Okay. Like this, sir.
Yeah. Don't press too much.
Yo, okay.
Just dahan-dahan. You breathing, right? Oh, good.
I,
What did you feel?
I think unhealthy, sir. Like small pump heartbeat. Okay. I need proper.
It's good.
It's good, sir.
It's good.
Ano to, mali pala ako. Other girl.
Oo. No. Dito.
What is that?
Yan. Okay. Baba. Oo. Dito.
Good, sir.
Good.
So, we need to bring this two girl home?
Yeah.
Mas magandang heartbeat kasi doon sa bahay. Mas malakas yung heartbeat at mas proper yung heartbeat check. So, dalhin natin sila sa bahay.
Sa bahay.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Tara na.
Let's go.
Hot shot, running in my non-stop.
Excuse me. I'm a doctor, my teacher.
I'm the teacher.
Boss Loka.
Boss Luca. Not Loco.
So, ang
Boss
gagawin
Luka.
namin ngayon ay mag-heartbeat. I-check namin yung heartbeat niya. Okay lang?
Hindi manyak ko.
Yes. I-check lang natin yung heartbeat niya, sir.
Sige.
Kasi nga, bagsak nga ako sa school di ba?
Because you're my student.
Yes,
Okay.
you're my teacher. Yes,
So, get the doctor tools.
yes, this my...
Okay. Yes.
So, I'm
So-
going to...
Yeah, put in your ear first. May jowa ka ba?
May jowa.
Meron.
I-block
Ikaw,
natin
may
yung
jowa ka ba?
Wala.
Wala kang jowa, kawawa ka naman. Sabi ka, ikaw, may jowa ka ba? Wala kang
Wala.
jowa, kawawa
So-
ka. Dalawa kawawa.
Oh,
Okay, so you need to put it here.
Heartbeat, sir. Heartbeat.
Here. And little bit down. Here.
Okay.
Oh, you called it. Oh.
Heartbeat.
Meron or wala?
Konti, sir, konti.
Meron.
Oh,
Meron. Oh,
Meron,
it's good. Next, another one.
Another one.
Baba. Oh. Meron? Wala.
Little bit.
Wala kang jowa.
Pinawisan siya, sir.
Oh,
Siya.
ikaw.
Dito.
Oh, ikaw. Meron or wala?
Konti. Sir, actually may may konting karamdaman sila, may sakit sila. So, dalhin natin sila sa bahay na lang kasi doon ang pinakamalaking heartbeat check na
Oh, ikaw sobrang malaki sa heart.
yung heartbeat niya is big pump.
Yeah, deep pump.
XL heart.
But wala.
Large.
Ano large?
Small.
Heart.
Small. Unhealthy also, you need gulay-gulay.
Gulay-gulay.
Gulay-gulay. At vitamins.
And sugar apple, not sugar daddy.
Okay, let's go.